Hello dear students, how are you doing? I hope you are fine. Today we have second part of the comparison unit, which is on students book page 65, and it will consist of 4 points. First point is superlative with present perfect plus ever. Let's read a question. What is the best book you have ever read? So superlative comes in the first part of a sentence, and present perfect with ever comes in the second part of the sentence. Possible answer can be Harry Potter is the best book I have ever read. So best is superlative form, and I have ever read is present perfect with ever. The next question, what is the worst program you have ever watched? So worst program, possible answer is "Пусть говорят" is the worst program I have ever watched. As you see, the worst superlative form comes in the first part of the sentence, and present perfect have ever watched comes at the second part of the sentence. Next, what is the scariest film you have ever watched? Can you answer this question on your notebook? Second point is comparison with clothes. So there are 3 comparison sentences. The and is smaller than. It can be finished with noun. For example, ant is smaller than dog, ant is smaller than cat. But it can be also completed with clause. For example, the ant is smaller than I thought. Next sentence, the frog is less beautiful than. It can be finished with also noun like frog is less beautiful than butterfly, but also it can be finished with clause than it is in the film. An elephant is fatter than. If we finish with clause, it can be than I imagined. So after than you can use as well clause. As you know, clause is subject plus verb. Third point is double comparative, a step-by-step change. Double comparative shows little by little or step-by-step change. For example, my brother is getting taller and taller. Here comparative is highlighted words taller and taller, and it shows little by little change. Then so this boy is getting little by little taller. Second, our flower is getting more and more beautiful. So comparative here, more and more beautiful, and with long adjective you don't need to repeat the whole comparative adjective. You can repeat only first more and more word and with adjective at the end. Can you copy it on your notebook, please? First point is 2 comparative adjectives followed each other by the comma. So it means the 2 things change because they are connected. Now you can see with the exercise, with the sentence, the harder you work, the more successful you will be. Here the comparative adjective harder and comparative adjective in the second part more successful is connected with each other. So if you work harder, then you will be successful. So this is the structure that shows 2 comparative adjectives are connected with each other. The more he spends, the poorer he gets. So pay attention, comparative adjective started with the article the. The more he spends, the poorer he gets. So these 2 things are connected with each other. That is why we can write in one sentence and followed by divided by comma. Let's complete this sentence. Roses are beautiful flowers I have seen. This is from the first point. So roses are most beautiful flowers I have ever seen.